Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Nerbo Einstein Cap torch. Let's get it open. So inside the box we get some instructions, we get the unit itself, and we get a small USB cable and it's micro USB. So on the bottom of the unit we've got this clip, and the clip can pivot like so. It's got a foam pad here, so this is designed really to go onto caps. So here is a cap, and you can just slide this on like so. And I don't know whether you can see here, it's got some teeth here that mean that it's not going to slip. You can also put it on the other way if you so wanted to, and that gives your angle tilting down. So on the top of the unit you've got an on button and you've got a wave button, and the wave button is very useful. I'm going to demonstrate it in a moment. You can see here the unit is not turned on, so I press this once. Now we get 4 indicators here. I can only assume that's the battery indicator, and you can see it's already lighting up. If we press it again, it's lighting up, but it's not as strong, it's not as powerful. And again, it is lighting up, but again it's not as powerful. And the last time turns it off. Now if I turn it on, it's going to go to max power, and if I press this wave button, so it's now off, and now it's on, off, on, really good. And then you just press this button, this W button here, to disable the feature. So now when I wave my hand in front, it's not turning on or off. This looks like an excellent torch and I can't wait to use it. And what's even better is it's IPX4 rated. Here we've got the USB micro charging point.